Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darius and welcome to my AI income engine review. Now, quick question before we start. How many AI tools are you paying for right now? ChatGPT, maybe Claude, an image tool or a research tool. Now, for a lot of people, it adds up to over $100 a month and not one of them has put a single dollar back in your pocket. Now, that's the exact problem the AI income engine is built to fix. It's a brand new 7-day live training designed to help solopreneurs, coaches, freelancers, and anyone paying for AI tools finally turn those tools into one real income asset. And the goal is simple: make it easy for anyone to plan, build, and ship a real online asset in a week without needing to code, prompt skills, or any tech background. Now, one of the standout features is the engine behind it, which is called Wayland, which runs the whole crew of AI tools you already pay for from one place, so you're not juggling 7 tabs and copy pasting between them. Now, the AI income engine also walks you through a proven build method live day by day, so you go from a blank page to a finished asset that's actually pointed at making money, not just sitting in a folder. Another part I really like is the self-auditing step, where the engine double checks its own work before you move on, so what you ship holds up instead of breaking the first time someone sees it. So it's a pretty cool software and training as well. Now, in case you're interested in picking this up, the link is down below in the description of this video, and if you click on that, you will be redirected to my website where you can find more information about AI income engine, including the pricing, the upsells, and also my bonuses. And all of these bonuses are free part of your purchase if you decide to get this software through me, and they will be delivered inside of your JVZoo account after you purchase through my link. So for now, let's see exactly how this system works, and then I will talk about the pricing and the upsells.
Hey there, this is Sean, and I want to show you Wayland and exactly how this can help you and your subscribers and clients and customers get actual AI that actually puts money in their pockets. Now, the problem is most AI systems, they're fancy ChatGPT wrappers and what have you, and they do a couple of little tasks. But this is something we've been using in our business, in our labs, and we've made it now consumer ready. You see, most AIs, if you're running them on your desktop, you have to get into Terminal or Shell, and if you're running Claude Code or anything like that, yeah, you're forced into one vendor, one setup. Well, I created one AI to rule them all. We sit on top of everything, bring it all together with tools you can actually use and actually get shit done. So let me show you. This is the main panel. This is, it works on Mac and PC. You can even deploy it in the cloud, and I'm going to give it to everyone free. It's open source. This is the cool thing. Now, the launch is not about the software. It's how to use it. And we're going to do a 5-day masterclass on exactly how we work, how to actually, well, plan, build, ship, and actually get a money-generating asset for you, your business, and what have you. And it's pretty simple to do. We've put all the tools, all the power in here. And as you can see, we've got a lot that we sit on top of. For example, Claude Code, Gemini, Codex, the main three. We have our own agent called Wayland Core. That's our own, well, it's a self-evolving, powerful agent that connects to everything and everywhere. Imagine if OpenClaw and Hermes had a baby, fed it steroids and meth. This is what Wayland Core is, but we'll get to that later. So as you can see, we've got everything in here. In fact, we even do so on top of Hermes Agent and OpenClaw. And we can just get it to do whatever we want to do. So I can put in anything here. In fact, I've got a couple of chats already going here. And I'll just allow, and don't ask again. I'll do this the same. Always allow. And this is actually running a couple of tasks right now. So what I've done here is go create an HTML newsletter capturing all the latest AI news from the last 24 to 48 hours. So what it's doing right now as it's working, it's actually got every chat has its own workspace. And yeah, this is running another little system, which is for memory. I'll try not to be too nerdy here. So it's right now running this on Claude Code. This one is running on ChatGPT. And this is actually going out and going to create 10 social media posts, finding the top 10, yada, yada. So it's doing the same. And it's got its own little workspace. So what I'll do is I'll also set another one in motion. And what I'll do is, let's use Grok, okay, just for fun. Go create 10 memes making fun of AI and common situations. Research them, use your irreverent sense of humor, and give me 10 memes. Okay, and that'll go off. And what will happen is, as stuff is running, you can see it in the background here. So I've got all these working. You can see all these little tabs. By the way, you can actually pop these tabs out. This one over here now, and what have you. So that's cool. I'll just put that in the background. Obviously, so I'll let them run in the background. You can create projects. So each project, again, has its own. This one is an affiliate launch one. I haven't started to chat in here yet, but again, I can then drop all my files, reference files in here. Each project has its own shared memory, and I can actually finish the setup. And what I can do here is I can choose which folder I want it to, if it's on a different drive or what have you. Give it instructions. AI will help you write it. You can set up rules and conventions, so you've got structure in your products and projects. We have 81 assistants, which are all specialists, all with their own special skills, so you can do pretty much anything. For example, if you want to write non-AI slop, boom, there's a humanizer skill for that. And again, all sorts of different categories you can see here, right? Research, build, running, customer support, data analytics. And you can actually drag and drop. You can create a little toolbar. So all of the ones you want that are most useful to you, well, you can put them right here, creating a quick, let's see, data analyst. No, I'll just grab that. So you've got all the ones you want to work with right here, including co-work. So this can do, for example, stuff on the desktop, projects and what have you. Boom, you're all good to go. Plus, of course, we got quick ones here that are quick prompts that you can just click, boom, done. All cool. All right, so you got assistants. We also have full-on workflows. So if you want to automate your business, publish blog posts and what have you, this will actually guide you through. I'll just fire one up. Say I want to create a content calendar. And which engine do I use? Oh, use Wayland Core. Boom, boom, boom. What do I want to use? What model? I'll just pick, say, 5.5 and launch now. So what this will do is it will decide, okay, here's the content, da, 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 da. It's a full-on automated workflow. You can decide how you want it to run. Anything specific, so I could say it's AI focused or trading or what have you. And what it will do is it will go set up a 30-day content calendar. Boom, boom, boom. It will design everything, research everything, create all of that. So I'm actually going to tell it not to right now. So in that. Scheduled tasks. So you can set, and this is a cool thing. If I said this, and I'm just going to let it run. So this is create an HTML newsletter. What I can do here is I can tell it to do this every day. So once it's set up and I'm happy with it, I can then, there we go. That's it. It's actually generated all of that just like that. Boom. The inference. I didn't even come up with that name. Now I could tell it, I don't like that. I want images. I can do this. It literally generated all of that just like that. Now, let me come back to it and say, oh, that's great. But now I can just say, okay, create now. Describe the task. Go create agent. Okay, I'll have that be Claude Code every day, ongoing conversation, and frequency daily at, let me do it at 6 a.m. Okay, done, save. And now if I come over here to schedule tasks, that will be now appear. So all of them, go create that right there, active, and that will run now every single day. And I can do that for any AI, okay? What else? Teams. This is one of my favorite things. We actually have entire standing companies. Now, a standing company is literally a team ready to run every day or continuously doing things I want to do. So, for example, marketing agency, sales organization, customer success. I've got a wealth management one and everything else. And we have over 53 other teams. If I want to do a cold pitch, fine print, post-mortem rooms like business decision, war room, that's one of my favorite ones, a daily briefing, validation, lead magnet forge, template factories, and all sorts of freaking things. The cool thing is you can spin up your own. Now, if we don't have one here, for group growth and support stack, affiliate site engine, you can actually just go build your own. And then you can pick a teammate. So in this case, I'm going to use, let's see, coach. Okay, so that's the leader and no teammates yet. What are we going to do? I want to create a team that can be a social media growth specialist, can hunt down trending topics and news items and build viral content that can go on Facebook, LinkedIn, X with threads, and so much more. What should we do then? So doing that with voice dictation, I can also get it to suggest from that, but let's just create the team. Oh, need to enter a name. We'll call it social media growth. So you don't have to, everyone thinks, oh, Claude Code and all the rest of it, it's for building software. Absolutely you can, but I don't bloody need to. So I'm just going to use Gemini in this case, create team. And what will happen is this will fire up and it's going to go and process. It'll start and then it'll ask me some questions. And from there, it will actually decide, okay, who do we have as a team? What do we need to do? So what this is doing now is it went off and it's starting to build out and research the team. So for example, Scout, Writer, Channels, and everything else. I kept it to 4 first. Want me to create this crew as is or change anything? Go right ahead and just for fun, call them characters from Sesame Street. I don't know why, but hey, that amuses me. So it's now going to go create the team. So what will happen here is it's going to think for a few seconds here, and it's going to start doing that. So there we go. We've got Grover, Elmo, Bert, and Oscar. So here's all of the agents created. I can go navigate to any single one of them and talk to each one, and they can start getting instructions from the team leader. Over here, if I come back. So now I can start saying, well, let's kick it off with some research. So now I can talk to the leader. It will allocate tasks to each member of the team automatically. And now you can see my little team over here. Need to load the messages first. So each one of these is now active and it will start giving, again, instructions to everyone as it goes. One on his flag. I let Groover loose, research with no defined niche because I didn't tell it a niche. So, okay. Specialist is for AI and tech news related to AI. So do make sure of that. Okay, so I just need to give it a little direction. And there you go. This message is now queued. And there we go. Grover is on it. So looking for 10 angles, and they'll say, okay, Lane, AI related news, sending Grover that focus now. So I can correct as you go. You can see over here, now they are starting to get all of their information. These are acknowledged, copy, no task on my board, standing by. That's a team. And I can talk to any one of them, like I say, and off we go. Now, this team is over here. I can come check back in at any time. We also have full mission control, so you can see exactly what's going on in your business. So, for example, 2 pending, 10 idle. I can see my costs and everything else that I'm doing and what's doing. Now, I've spent just on this demo account here, 2.9 million tokens, about $10. And boom, and you can see I've got all these other things I've been doing and playing around with as well. This is like I said, a demo account here that I've set up, or a demo system, should I say. I can share memory. I can see exactly what's going on. I can share memory across all my systems. And like I said, this is just freaking powerful. I mean, look at this. I wasn't expecting this to be created as quick, but there, I've got a full HTML newsletter I can send out every day. I can charge for it. I mean, everything you're seeing here, this entire page, all this was built by Wayland. If you want to build anything, plan a marketing campaign, launch a newsletter, you just saw me do that in seconds.
Okay, so the front-end offer is going to be $47 with all of these options here. We also have a bundle deal, but I will talk about these one in just a second. So after you buy the front-end offer, you will be presented with some upsells. The first one is going to be VIP Access 97 one-time payment. You get priority support and closer coaching during the build week. We have Inner Circle, which is OTO number 2197, extended support and a tighter community, room for people who want to keep building engines well past the 7 days. And the last one is going to be AI Forge Intensive for 97 one-time payment, which gives you a deep strategy session for people who want hands-on help scaling past their first asset into a real system. Okay, so these are the upsells. Now the bundle is going to include absolutely everything that I just showed you under the pricing. So you get the front-end offer and all of these OTOs at a one-time really discounted payment, I should say, and it's going to be for 97 one-time payment. So this is the pricing. Make sure to check out the bonuses below, and if you have any questions, guys, make sure to ask them below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe.